Hi there, I'm missing you. I hope you're all okay. I'm just going to do a little video to show you how to make your very own Stickman. Hopefully you've watched the video of the Stickman. It's my favourite story. And when I watched the video, I decided to go for a walk. I went for a walk and look what I found. The perfect stick to make a Stickman. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you can change your stick, if you've been for a walk and found one, into a Stickman. Right, so first of all, he needs some eyes. And I've got two googly eyes here. I'm going to use some glue to stick the eyes to make the Stickman. One, two, a bit more for that one. It's hard to make them stick. One eye, two eyes. It's got two eyes and two arms. But he needs a mouth, like Stickman. So I'm going to paint a mouth. I think he's got to be smiling. So I've got some black paint and I'm going to paint on a smile. Here we go. He's got two eyes, two arms and a mouth. And I like my Stickman to have a nose. He doesn't in the book, but I like him to have a nose. So I'm going to paint one nose. There we go. So he's got two eyes, one nose, and a smiley mouth. And two arms. Whee! And I've made my very own Stickman. Can you make your own Stickman and take a photo and send it to me so I can see? Bye.